If you have a camping blog, YouTube channel, or anything in between, affiliate links can be a great way to earn some extra income from your passion. Here are 10 of the best paying affiliate programs from the camping niche that you can join and start earning right away. First up, we have the REI Co-op Affiliate Program. REI is a trusted name in the outdoor industry, known for their high-quality gear and strong commitment to sustainability. As an affiliate, you can promote a wide range of products from camping gear to cycling equipment. With an average order value of $100, a cookie duration of 30 days, and a commission rate of 5%, REI is a solid choice for any outdoor enthusiast. Join the REI Co-op Affiliate Program today and start earning. Next, we have Cabela's. Founded in 1961, Cabela's has become synonymous with hunting, fishing, and camping. They offer a comprehensive range of products and have a loyal customer base. Affiliates earn a 5% commission with an average order value of $120 and a 14-day cookie duration. It's perfect for promoting a wide variety of outdoor gear. Bass Pro Shops is another major player in the outdoor retail space. Known for their large retail stores with unique shopping experiences, Bass Pro Shops offers products for camping, fishing, hunting, and more. Affiliates enjoy a 5% commission rate, a 14-day cookie duration, and an average order value of $110. Their extensive product range makes them a versatile option for affiliates. If you're looking to promote premium outdoor gear, Backcountry is a fantastic option. They specialize in high-quality products for camping, hiking, skiing, and more. Their affiliate program offers an impressive 8% commission rate, a 30-day cookie duration, and an average order value of $150. It's ideal for targeting serious outdoor adventurers. Join Backcountry's program to boost your earnings with top-notch gear. Next, known for its eco-friendly products and commitment to sustainability, we have Patagonia. This company has built a reputation for high-quality, durable products that are environmentally responsible. Their product range includes clothing, gear, and accessories for a variety of outdoor activities. Affiliates can attract environmentally conscious consumers who value sustainability and quality. You'll earn an 8% commission with an average order value of $130 and a 30-day cookie duration. Outdoor Play began as a kayak school and evolved into a major online retailer. They offer gear for kayaking, camping, and more. With a 7% commission rate, a 90-day cookie duration, and an average order value of $80, Outdoor Play offers great earning potential for affiliates. Next, we have Moosejaw, known for its quirky marketing and strong customer engagement. Moosejaw offers a variety of outdoor clothing and gear from top brands. Affiliates can benefit from a 6% commission rate, a 30-day cookie duration, and an average order value of $140. Their frequent promotions make it easy to attract and convert visitors. Join Moosejaw's program to boost your earnings and enjoy the great outdoors. Mountain Warehouse offers affordable outdoor clothing and equipment, making it suitable for budget-conscious customers. The company has grown to become a trusted retailer for outdoor enthusiasts seeking value for money. Their product range includes clothing, footwear, and gear for camping, hiking, skiing, and cycling. Affiliates can promote a variety of products that appeal to a wide audience. You'll earn a 5% commission with an average order value of $75 and a 30-day cookie duration. CampSaver sells high-quality outdoor gear and apparel, with frequent discounts and promotions appealing to a broad audience. They focus on providing premium products for camping, hiking, climbing, and more. Known for their excellent customer service and extensive product knowledge, affiliates can benefit from promoting a brand that is trusted by outdoor enthusiasts and offers competitive commissions. With an average order value of $120, a 30-day cookie duration, and a commission rate of 10%, CampSaver is a top choice for affiliates. The house specializes in outdoor gear, including snowboarding, skiing, and biking equipment, catering to a wide range of outdoor sports. They have a long history of providing quality products and excellent customer service. Their extensive product range and frequent promotions make it easy for affiliates to find products that resonate with their audience. The house offers a 6% commission rate, a 30-day cookie duration, and an average order value of $90. This makes it a lucrative option for those looking to boost their earnings. Up next is LL Bean, which offers a variety of outdoor clothing and gear, with strong brand recognition and high-quality products. They have a rich history of providing durable, reliable outdoor equipment. Their product range includes clothing, footwear, and gear for camping, hiking, fishing, and more. Affiliates can promote a trusted brand with a loyal customer base, benefiting from LL Bean's reputation for quality and service. You'll earn a 6% commission with an average order value of $100 and a generous 60-day cookie duration. This makes it a great choice for affiliate marketers. These affiliate programs provide great opportunities to earn a commission by promoting high-quality camping and outdoor products. Each program has unique benefits and caters to different aspects of the outdoor niche, ensuring you can find the perfect match for your content and your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.